you guys like this little clips of our weekend for my oldest son's birthday. We actually went to the racetrack, a small one, not far from where we live. So we enjoyed our time together and watching the cars go fast, and my kids loved it. At first they were kind of like scared about it because it was loud, but then they fell in love with it. So we got to do that and watch the race, and then we also enjoyed, for his birthday, was going on a walk in a park. He really loves those walks that we love to do as much as possible. That we love going out, finding new parks, even like an hour away, which this park was an hour away, or a little bit more than an hour away from us, and we love enjoying and seeing what all our state brings us and seeing all the beautiful nature. So that's what you're going to be seeing through this whole video. And again, I hope you guys like it, and it's just showing you guys a peek through our weekend, basically. Hope you guys like it.
say happy birthday to Sailor Rockinger. He'll be 13 on Wednesday. Happy 13th. And, happy 20th birthday to Matthew Bursley. I know who that is. Happy birthday, Matt. 20 today. 20 in quotes. So happy birthday, Matt. In here, if we got a winner from the Big Rolls Racing. Billy helping Mark Niehaus leading the green. Let's give a wave this time by the white flag. Wave left. Window second row. Looks like Kevin Good in the 7. Ben Kleiss in the number 6. Zach Clark in the number 9. Greg Niehaus in the number 1. Chad Clark in the number 3. Dave Lincoln in the 97. Dave down in the 49. Charlie Young in the 62. And there's Derek Fast. He's out there in the 83. 25.
So we really enjoyed our night as we were watching the races. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll let you guys finish watching the rest of the video, especially of our walk. Hope you guys like it. Videotaping you doing that.
A big bug.
Sorry for that weird sound, but I'm allergic to bees, and that's one problem I always have when trying to be outside and enjoy outside. Having to know my whereabouts. So, again, sorry about that noise, but we really loved this walk. We really loved this park. I loved the trees right here. It was so beautiful. And as we were walking through, they were actually doing a photo shoot in these trees, like in this park area with these trees. And again, I thought it was so perfect. I want to go back and probably do my kids' first day of school pictures in this area, which I thought it was so beautiful how they were doing their photo shoot. It gave me some ideas. What? Don't touch them. They found some that are poisonous.
Where's the stick?
No.
Here you go, little buddy.
And then we made it to the beach. So after this very long walk, we actually made it to the beach. It has this area where you get to go down to the beach area. Let me just say, after this walk, my legs were sore. I didn't know how many freaking stairs I had to actually go through until actually being here at this walk. But we enjoyed it. Hey, baby girl. Yeah.
I don't want to sit on my shoes.
I know one thing. We're gonna buy that little pink thing that says Isn't it cold, Kimberly? Isn't it cold, Patrick?
No, so warm and cold.
He says the water is warm.
Can we go in the water? Let's go.
It's alright. For Michigan water, it's alright.
Okay.
Get in here. No, not too far. Come closer this way. Kimber! Well, she's gonna be cold down for the rest of the walk. Get closer this way, you guys.
So surprisingly, the water was actually very warm. And the walk, let me just say, knowing it wasn't sunny, it was so humid out. So being able to get to the destination of going to the beach and enjoying the water and then cooling down for our walk back was perfect because they didn't have to worry about that. The only problem is the rest of us that didn't dress in long sleeves end up getting bug bites. So the only one that didn't get bug bites was actually Ramon, which is my youngest son. But that's the reason why he actually picked out long pants and long shirts, because we've been on walks before where he didn't want to be getting mosquito bites on. So again, now we're just enjoying our walk back after being cooled down from the water, which was perfect because my temperature was going sky high. When it comes to hot weather and humid, it doesn't mix very well with me. I become very sick at the end of these
You are like
sometimes walks,
sweating.
so the beach actually helped a lot. I wasn't feeling as bad when we got back home. But yep, that was our weekend and we enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well, especially the views in our walk. I thought it was so beautiful being there. A lot of going up and down stairs, but it was very beautiful and so very enjoyable, especially being with my kids and enjoying the outdoors. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll let you finish watching our walk back home. Bye.
Hold on to the side if you have to, Kimberly. Hold on to the side if you have to. Whew. tree.
See, that's why she stumbles all the time. See, when I was a kid, Lily, I was going up and down little things like this. She's like this too. I know, be careful, you're gonna fall.
They fall all the time.
So that's what they learn.
Hey, Luis. That's how.
That's like I might know how to walk.
That's how come you lose your mind a lot of times.
We go that way this time. Next time we'll come back and see those other trees.
I wanted to see the trees.
Look, there's a squirrel.
I don't see a squirrel.
He's gonna attack us.
You're mean. I wanted to go through the trees again.